Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now, make sure Snapchat is updated and you have internet. Open the app and tap your profile icon in the top left. This gives access to account settings. Once done, tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll to find display or app appearance. Some platforms show it under My Account. If you don't see it, make sure your app update finished and restart Snapchat. Sometimes the setting appears after a restart. Now, find App Appearance or Display in Settings. This is the control for themes. Tap it and select Dark to force Snapchat into dark mode. Alternatively, choose Match System to follow your device's theme automatically. If your device has both light and dark schedules, Match System keeps Snapchat consistent. Once you pick an option, Snapchat applies the theme immediately, so exit Settings and scan your chats and camera UI to confirm the darker palette and reduced glare for nighttime use. Finish by checking all screens. Chats, camera, and stories should reflect dark mode. If changes don't appear, force close Snapchat and reopen. That often completes the switch. Make sure your device theme is set correctly when using Match System. Otherwise, toggle the device to dark mode to test. If problems persist, sign out and back in or reinstall the app to refresh settings. One key tip: clear app cache before reinstalling to avoid losing local data. This can fix stubborn display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.